Hi everyone, how are you? Today I wanna show you how to delete Google search history. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to delete Google search history, follow my steps. First one, go to your Google search engine. As you can see here, in the right corner on the button here, click settings as you can see. Okay, then select history. Okay, here guys, in the left pane we have many options. Select delete activity by, as you can see, delete activity by. Okay, here we have many choices: last hour, last day, always, and custom range. Okay, or we can set up automatic. As you can see guys, here we have many options: last hour, delete search activity in last hour, or last day, or always. As you can see, you can select all or specific someone, as you can see here. Okay, or you can guys set up automatic deletions. As you can see, keep until I delete manually, or keep for 18 months, or keep for 3 months. Okay, I will select keep until I delete manually. Okay, okay guys, as an example I want to select last hour. Okay, deletion complete, click OK. That's it guys, so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.